What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, we're making air fried chicken wings. And I'll tell you, this Ninja Foodie makes the best wings on the planet. So we're going to take our raw chicken wings, add a little bit of sea salt, add some ground pepper, and we're going to add some avocado oil. Just a little bit, just enough to get everything coated. And toss our wings. Alright, we're ready to go into the Ninja Foodie. This thing is awesome. It's so easy to cook. The best chicken wings on the planet, and you don't have all the fuss of a deep fried vat of oil, right? Just pop them in there. I'm gonna go to air fry. And we're gonna start it out at 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and add another 10 minutes to these wings, and they'll be good to go. All right. Wings are done. Healthy wings at that. So I'm gonna toss these into some Frank's Red Hot and get my wing on. But these are perfectly cooked wings. I like them a little bit crispy. Foodie Ninja's where it's at. I love it. All right, we're gonna take a little Frank's Red Hot, add it to our mixing bowl. All right, so you don't want to pour the wings from the bin because there's a little bit of grease in there, and we don't want to mix that grease in with our sauce. It's going to get thrown away. All right, let's mix our wings. Ninja Foodie makes the best wings ever. Better than restaurant wings from a deep fryer. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.